Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover industrial engineering objective. These are previous year question papers from GATE, IAS, IAS, ISRO and Vizag Steel and other PSU. This is part 3. This is IAS question. Which one of the following is not a work measurement technique? A. Time study, B. Work sampling, C. Motion time data, D. Micromotion study. D. This question is from Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. In port analysis, a critical activity has zero float. Same question asked in IES and other PSU also. Henry Ford is noted for his contribution to a statistical quality control, to time and motion study, 3. Assembly line operation, scientific management. Henry Ford, Ford Motor Company owner. He is famous for assembly line operations. Question is, match the following types of layout generally employed for the manufacture of items. List 1 and list 2 you have to match. So, fixed position layout, construction of ship. C you fix I. So, all other are not possible. Only 3 follows. You can check others. A, I, V. Product layout, assembly of automobiles, correct. Then B, AAA, process oriented layout, refining of crude oil, correct. Then D, AA, unit product layout, launch of satellite. Yes, 3 is the answer. This one also already asked in Vizag Steel examination. So, AIV, this is very important. Product layout, automobile manufacturing. And fixed layout, construction of ship. This is also important. A and C. Then from control charts, this is IES and IAS question. There are 2 basic types of control charts. When the method of inspection is by variables, the most popular control charts are X bar and R charts. When the method of inspection is by attributes, the most popular control chart is P charts. Which of the statements are true? So, control charts are 2 types. Variable or measurement chart. Here we are using actual measurement. And other is attribute or yes or no chart. Here data are discontinuous data. And variable chart examples are X bar, R and sigma. And for attribute chart, P, NP, C and U. These are the examples. And in P chart, percentage of defect we calculate. In C chart, number of defect in a single sample we are calculating. So in this question, inspection by variables is. So variables X and R, most popular control charts are X and R. So this is correct. Then method of inspection by attributes. Attribute chart is here, P and C. So most popular is P chart. This is also correct. So 3 is the answer. This type of question so many times they are asking in PSU, also SAIL they asked, last time they asked this question. So this is very important. Also in IAS also so many times they are asking. Fixed investments for manufacturing a product in a particular year is Rs 80,000. The estimated sales for this period is 2 lakhs. The variable cost per unit for this product is Rs 4. This is Rs 4 only. If each unit is sold at Rs 20, then the break even point would be how much? Break even point you have to calculate Q star. Already discussed. Fixed cost divided by unit selling cost by unit variable cost. So fixed cost here 80,000, 20 minus 4. 80,000 divided by 16. B is the answer. Break-even point or Q star is 5,000 units. This question was already discussed in Vizag Steel previous year papers. Same question with same data. This is a GATE question. Lambda arrival rate is 5 per hour. Service time mu is 10 minutes, so 6 per hour. Average waiting time in the queue. WQ, it's lambda by mu into mu minus lambda. We'll get 5 by 6 into 1. This is in hour. But options are in minutes, so multiply 60, 50 minutes. D is the answer. This is also GATE question. Same question asked in Vizag Steel MTP. The word Kanban is most appropriately associated with a economic order quantity EOQ. Sometimes only EOQ they are writing. Just in time production, JIT, just in time production. Capacity planning, D, product design. Answer is JIT, just in time product. Which one of the following is not a decision taken during aggregate production planning stage? A, scheduling of machines. B, amount of labor to be committed. C, rate at which production should happen. D, inventory to be carried forward. B is the answer. But in my first video, I told A is the answer, so please rectify it. B is the answer. Amount of labor to be committed is not a decision taken during aggregate production planning. So instead of aggregate production planning, sometimes only APP also they are writing. So both things you have to remember. And for aggregate production planning and MPS, CRP, I made separate videos that you can check. That flowchart, if you check that one, you will get your answer. This is GATE question. Customers arrive at a ticket counter at a rate 50 per hour and tickets issued in the order of their arrival. The average time taken for issuing a ticket is 1 minute. Assuming that customer arrives form a Poisson process and service times are exponentially distributed, the average waiting time in the queue in minutes. This one also already discussed. WQ you have to calculate. Lambda by mu minus lambda into mu. Here lambda arrival rate is 50 per hour. Service rate per ticket 1 minute, so 60 tickets per hour. Put the values. 50 by 60 into 60 minus 50 is 10. One by 12 hours. But options are in minutes, so 1 by 12 into 60, 5 minutes. C is the answer. This question is statistical quality control were developed by whom? A, Frederick Taylor. B, Walter Stewart. C, George Danting. D, W. E. Deming. B is the answer, Walter Stewart. F.W. Taylor is father of scientific management. This is also so many times asked in IAS. So this one also you remember. Taylor is father of scientific management. This is IAS question. If the demand for an item is doubled, the ordering cost halves, the economic order quantity is how much? 2D CO by CH. Already discussed. Then demand double, D becomes 2D and ordering cost CO halves, CO by 2. So Q star 1 by Q star second case 2dCO by CH root over divided by 2 into 2d CO halves or by CH whole root over 2 cancel, so remains unchanged. A is the answer. In POT, the distribution of activity times is assumed to be this one so many times beta distribution. C is the answer. The layout with a higher material handling effort is a dash layout. This one asked in GATE examination before 95. I don't know that exact year, but before 95. The layout with a higher material handling. Product layout, less material handling. Process layout, more material handling. So this is the answer. Process layout. Match 4 correct pairs. This is GATE questions. And IAS also. Sometimes they are asking this type of questions. List 1 and list 2. Just in time, we already discussed. This one asked in Vizag Steel empty question also. Kanban. Then computer assisted layout. If you refer my video, already I made one video for craft, all deep and these things. There you will get this one. Computer assisted layout, craft. Then scheduling and simulation. Simulation, Monte Carlo simulation. Scheduling, Johnson's rule. Then next question. The most commonly used criteria for measuring forecast error is, this is from forecasting. A mean absolute deviation, MAD, mean standard error, mean absolute percentage error, and mean square error, MSE. In short, they are writing MSE. Most of time we are using MSE. Most common use criteria. Principal tool used in scheduling and loading is ABC analysis. This is for inventory control. B Gantt chart, EOQ model. This is also for inventory control. POT and CPM. This is for networking. So scheduling and loading, Gantt chart. This is also so many times asked in IAS. 3-4 times they asked in IAS for scheduling Gantt chart. A company intends to use exponential smoothing technique for making a forecast for one of its products. The previous year's forecast has been 78 units and the actual demand for the corresponding period turned out to be 73 units. If the value of smoothing constant mu is 0.2, the forecast for the next period will be how much? Fn we have to calculate. Data given are previous year forecast has been Fn minus 1, it's 78, and actual demand for the corresponding period Fd minus 1, it's 73, and alpha or mu value is 0.2. Fn we have to calculate. Fn formula is plus mu into Fn minus 1. Put the values, you will get your answer. This is 78 plus 0.2, you can write 1 by 4. Then 73 minus 78, you will get minus 1. 78 minus 1, 77. C is the answer. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to production planning and control? Instead of production planning and control, sometimes they will write PPC. So you have to remember the short form also. PPC already I made one separate video for PPC, that you can check. Expediting initiates the execution of production plans, whereas dispatching maintains them. Dispatching not maintains them. see them through their successful continuous. Expediting also not initiate, dispatching only initiates. So A not possible. Then dispatching initiates the execution. Yes, this is correct. Then production plan where expediting maintains them, seeing them through their successful continuation. B is the correct. Both dispatching and expediting initiates the execution. No, expediting not initiate. So C not possible. Both dispatching and expediting maintain the production plan. No. Dispatching starts initiates execution of production plan. B is the answer. Which of the following input data are needed for MRP? 1. Master production schedule. 2. Inventory position. 3. Machine capacity. D. Bill of material. So, if you refer my video, MRP video, then it will clear all your doubts. That flow chart I already gave in that video. MPS, then MRP. For MRP, one side bill of material and one side inventory file. So these three things: master production schedule, bill of material, and inventory file. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. C is the answer. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.